Did you know your gut and liver work together as the body's natural detox system? Today, I'll show you a 3-step gut and liver cleanse that can help reset your entire body, safely and naturally. Welcome to Health Code. Me. In this video, we'll break down a simple but powerful 3-step protocol to support gut health and liver detoxification. No crash cleanses, no extreme fasting, just science-backed, holistic practices you can do at home to restore balance and energy. Our gut and liver are the frontline defenders of health. The gut breaks down nutrients and fuels the body, while the liver filters toxins from everything we eat, drink, and breathe, like processed foods, alcohol, stress, and poor sleep, overwhelm this system. Ancient healing traditions, from Ayurveda to traditional Chinese medicine, always prioritize seasonal cleanses, and today modern science confirms the benefits, allowing our bodies to eliminate waste and harmful substances more efficiently. This not only helps us look and feel our best, but it also lays the foundation for vibrant health and longevity. Our gut microbiome refers to the trillions of bacteria that make their home in our digestive tract. These bacteria play a crucial role in breaking down food, synthesizing vitamins, and supporting our overall health. When our gut microbiome is out of balance, it can lead to digestive issues, inflammation, and even weight gain. But don't worry, there are simple steps we can take to restore balance and improve gut health. First, remove irritants. To support a healthy gut, start by eliminating processed foods, added sugar and alcohol for about 7 to 10 days. Instead, focus on consuming whole, unprocessed foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. These foods provide the necessary nutrients to support a healthy gut microbiome. Eating fermented foods such as sauerkraut, kefir, kimchi, or kombucha can help replenish beneficial gut bacteria. These foods contain live and active cultures that can improve gut health. Probiotics are available as supplements and contain beneficial bacteria that can support a healthy gut. To further support your gut health, incorporate bone broth, aloe vera, or fiber-rich vegetables like broccoli and Brussels sprouts into your diet. Bone broth is rich in amino acids that can help heal the gut lining, while aloe vera has soothing properties that can reduce inflammation. Fiber acts as a food for beneficial gut bacteria and also helps to maintain healthy bowel movements. Take the time to eat mindfully and avoid distractions like watching TV or working. When you eat, pay attention to your body's hunger and fullness cues, and stop eating when you're satisfied, not overly full. Eating in a relaxed state can also help stimulate the release of digestive enzymes, aiding in better digestion. By removing irritants, repopulating beneficial bacteria, repairing the gut lining, and practicing mindful eating, you can set the stage for a healthier gut and overall well-being. Remember, consistency is key. Stick with these practices for 7 to 10 days to allow your gut to adjust and experience the benefits. Step 2. Liver support. Our second step is all about supporting the liver. When our liver is overwhelmed, it can lead to a buildup of toxins in the body, causing inflammation and various health issues. But don't worry, we have some simple and effective ways to support our liver and keep it functioning at its best. First, stay hydrated. This can help stimulate the flow of bile and support the liver's detox pathways. Second, consume nutrient-rich foods. Focus on incorporating foods that support liver health into your diet. Cruciferous vegetables are rich in phytonutrients that help protect the liver from damage and support its detoxification processes. Other liver-friendly foods include beets, turmeric, and green tea. Turmeric contains compounds like curcumin, which have been shown to support liver function. Green tea is packed with antioxidants that can help protect the liver from oxidative stress. Third, move your body. Exercise can help stimulate blood flow to the liver and aid in toxin elimination through sweat. If you're not a fan of cardio, try spending time in a sauna. Minimize the intake of unnecessary medications, alcohol, and processed foods and fats. These substances can burden the liver and hinder its detoxification processes. Instead, opt for natural alternatives whenever possible and choose whole, unprocessed foods to support your liver's health. These steps may seem simple, but they are powerful allies in supporting your liver health. By staying hydrated, consuming liver-friendly foods, staying active and reducing your load, you can help your liver efficiently filter toxins Step 3. Daily detox rituals. Our third step is all about incorporating daily detox rituals. These rituals can help stimulate circulation, boost lymphatic drainage, and reduce stress, all of which contribute to a more efficient detoxification process. First, intermittent fasting. Practice intermittent fasting by eating within a 12 to 14-hour window and allowing your body 10 to 12 hours to rest from digestion each day. This can give your gut and liver a chance to take a break and perform maintenance tasks like cleaning out old waste and repairing cellular damage. Second, dry brushing. Start your day with gentle dry brushing to stimulate circulation and lymphatic drainage. This practice can help move toxins from the surface of the skin towards your lymph nodes, where they can be filtered out. Third, breathing exercises. Take a few deep breaths throughout the day to help reduce stress and promote relaxation. Stress can slow down detoxification processes, so it's important to find ways to manage stress effectively. Deep breathing exercises can be a simple yet powerful tool in achieving this. Fourth, sleep reset. Prioritize getting 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night. During sleep, your body performs many detoxification processes, including the production of glutathione, a powerful antioxidant that helps neutralize toxins. By incorporating these daily detox rituals into your routine, you can further enhance your body's natural detox processes. Remember, these steps are designed to complement the gut reset and liver support practices. When combined, they create a holistic approach to cleansing and revitalizing your system. It's important to note that cleansing isn't always easy. You may encounter challenges along the way. You might experience cravings, mild headaches, or fatigue, especially in the first few days. These symptoms are normal and usually subside as your body adjusts. The key is to stay consistent with your chosen steps and give your body time to adapt. At the end of the 3 steps, you'll likely notice some amazing benefits. Digestion should improve, leaving you feeling less bloated and more comfortable. Your skin might clear up, giving you a healthier glow, but you might also experience increased energy levels and improved mental focus. Additionally, you'll likely feel a renewed sense of lightness in your body, both physically and mentally. This cleanse is not just about shedding a few pounds or fitting into a smaller dress size. It's about restoring balance and harmony to your natural detoxification systems. It's about nourishing your body, supporting its essential functions, and helping it eliminate what it no longer needs. It's about recognizing that true beauty radiates from within when our gut and liver are functioning optimally. And remember, this isn't a one-time fix. These are practices you can return to whenever you feel your system needs a reset. Cleansing isn't a destination. It's a journey towards a healthier, more vibrant you. Now I want to hear from you. Which step would you try first? Gut reset, liver support, or daily detox rituals? Drop it in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe to Health Code, and watch this next video where I share deeper strategies for long-term gut health and energy. Thank you for joining me on this journey to better health. Till next time, stay well and thrive.